Best embroidery machines for beginners are easy to use, affordable, and designed to help you start creating simple embroidery projects right away. They usually come with built-in designs, clear displays, and basic editing features, making it simple to learn and enjoy embroidery without feeling overwhelmed. Starting at number 1. Brother SE 1900 Embroidery Machine. The Brother SE 1900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine is a versatile computerized machine designed for both sewing and embroidery enthusiasts. It features 138 built-in embroidery designs, 240 built-in sewing stitches, and a spacious 5-7 embroidery hoop area for creating larger, more detailed projects. The machine includes a vibrant 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen display that makes editing and previewing designs simple and intuitive. With 8 included sewing feet, automatic needle threading, and advanced customization options, the SE 1900 offers the flexibility and convenience needed for everything from everyday sewing tasks to personalized embroidery creations. Number 2. Brother PE 535 Embroidery Machine. The Brother PE 535 Embroidery Machine is a user-friendly embroidery-only machine designed for creating personalized designs with ease. It comes with 80 built-in embroidery designs, a 4x4 embroidery hoop area, and 9 built-in font styles for custom monograms and lettering. The machine features a large 3.2-inch color LCD touchscreen that allows users to preview, edit, and position designs before stitching. A convenient USB port makes it easy to import additional embroidery patterns, while advanced editing features and automatic thread color sorting help streamline the embroidery process. Compact yet versatile, the PE 535 is an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists looking to add professional-looking embroidery to their projects. Number 3. Brother SE 600 Embroidery Machine. The Brother SE 600 Sewing and Embroidery Machine is a versatile computerized machine that combines sewing and embroidery capabilities in one compact design. It features 80 built-in embroidery designs, 103 built-in sewing stitches, and a 4x4 embroidery hoop area, making it ideal for creative customization and everyday sewing projects. The machine includes a vibrant 3.2-inch color LCD touchscreen display for easy design editing, previewing, and stitch selection. With 7 included sewing feet, automatic needle threading, adjustable sewing speed, and a USB port for importing additional embroidery designs, the SE 600 offers convenience, flexibility, and professional quality results for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Number 4. Brother SE 400 Embroidery Machine. The Brother SE 400 combination, computerized sewing and embroidery machine, is a versatile all-in-one machine designed for both sewing and embroidery projects. It features 67 built-in sewing stitches, 70 built-in embroidery designs, and 5 lettering fonts for creating personalized monograms and decorative patterns. The machine includes a 4x4 embroidery area, making it ideal for customizing clothing, home decor, and craft projects. Its computerized controls and easy-to-use LCD display allow users to select, edit, and preview designs with ease, while advanced features such as automatic needle threading and customizable stitch settings help deliver precise, professional-looking results. Compact yet powerful, the SE 400 is a great choice for hobbyists and creative sewists looking to combine sewing and embroidery in one machine. Number 5. Brother PE 800 Embroidery Machine. The Brother PE 800 Embroidery Machine is a dedicated embroidery machine designed to help users create detailed and personalized embroidery projects with ease. It features 138 built-in embroidery designs, a spacious 5x7 embroidery hoop area, and 11 built-in font styles for custom monograms and lettering. The machine is equipped with a large 3.2-inch color LCD touchscreen that allows users to preview, edit, and customize designs before stitching. A convenient USB port makes it easy to import additional embroidery patterns, while advanced editing features, automatic needle threading, and color sorting functionality enhance efficiency and creativity. Ideal for hobbyists and small business creators, the PE 800 delivers professional quality embroidery results on a wide range of fabrics and projects.